Well, hey, folks, how's it all going? Oh, man, you're already guessing. You're saying you're going to cook on the Z Grills. Folks, when we got the Z Grill this past summer, I said I can't wait to see how it does in the winter. Well, we got a day here. It's about 12 degrees outside. It is cold. And you know what? I've done some mods to this thing over time. The front shelf out, which really helps out a lot. And then what ends up being a perfect marriage here is the Pellet Pro PID controller from Smoke Daddy Inc. with the Z Grills. I tell you what a perfect combination. I'm going to fire this up. Oh man, I'm going to do some bacon wrapped pork loin, folks. Why don't you go take a look at that bacon wrapped pork loin? I'll get this fired up. All right, folks, there's our fresh pork loin fillet, and we got a pound of bacon. We're going to season this up and do a bacon weave on it. I'll tell you what. I'll review how to do a bacon weave again. Keep watching for that. All right, there's our pork loin, folks. I did have to trim it up a little bit. There was they always put the good side out, and when you open it up, the fat side's on the other side. So I trimmed some of that, and there was some silver skin on there. What I'm using today for seasoning is, I've talked about this before, this burn pit barbecue. This is fire for effect. This stuff is very, very good. And this is owned by, it's actually, it's a veteran-owned company. There's just two gentlemen who served their time, came back and do other jobs, and wanted to get involved in the barbecue industry. And they make their own stuff now. And they're starting to make their own sauces too. So I've got this one here. This is Bold Barbecue Sauce, QRF. I'm not sure what the QRF stands for, but we're gonna do that bacon weave. And then when that bacon's just about done, we're gonna put a little bit of the sauce on top of it. Oh man, that's gonna be good. So I'll tell you what, let's get going on the bacon weave. All right, bacon weave, super simple to do, folks. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. I put a piece of plastic down, saran wrap more or less, and I leave the tail out here. That just helps you when it comes to rolling it up. And then I usually go either 5 or 6 across. If you do 6 pieces of vertical bacon, it works out pretty good with the length of bacon, and it eats up a pound pretty good. And then you can see how I'm just alternating. So like I'm going to do another strip right now, and I alternate. As you can see, this is on top. This one's on the bottom of this piece. So then you just want to go like that, and then just put a slice on like this. And I don't buy any good bacon for this. I always look for the cheapest bacon. I don't like to use thick cut, regular cut, or if you can find thin cut. Oh man, it melts into the surface. It's really nice. So I'll keep on going this, give you a look-see once we roll it up. All right, bacon weave is done. There was 6 slices this way, 6 slices this way, and it, depending upon who you get it from, it usually eats up about the whole package. In this case, I got three slices left. So then we just take a corner of our saran wrap and we just roll it over like that, and then just peel it back. And look at that, you got yourself a bacon weave, folks. Just like that. There we go, just like that. That's nice. That's how you do it, folks. All right, getting ready to put her on the grill. All right, folks, turn things up to 300 degrees. We're going to crisp up that bacon. Let's take a quick look at it, shall we? Oh, man, here's sizzle. Oh, man. I am getting hungry. Keep on watching, folks. Give you a look-see. Well, according to the meter, we're 4 minutes away from being done, so let's go take a look. All right, folks, meter's telling me it's done. Let's, I didn't do the glaze yet, so let's take a quick look here. Oh, man, look at that. That's some awesome looking pork tenderloin. Look at that bacon on there. Nicely done. Talking about, look at that glaze on there. Let it go for just a couple minutes and we'll pull it off. Stay with that. Oh man, we got some of that burn pit barbecue sauce on top of the bacon. Look at that. Oh man, that is picture perfect, folks. We're gonna pull it off in about 2 minutes here. Give you a look-see once it's rested. If you're wondering, what was the pellet consumption? Remember, it's in the low teens out here, and you saw we were starting. So that's about it. So that's probably, I'm gonna guess 2-3 pounds. So not bad at all. The Z Grills works well in the wintertime, and of course, it's the Pellet Pro PID controller from Smoke Daddy that makes it happen. Oh man, I tell you what, we've got the burn pit barbecue sauce on the bacon, Look at that. And then you remember I put this fire for effect on the pork itself. So let's just take a quick look here. Oh man, Look at that. That looks awesome. I'm gonna take some slices off here. Folks, give you a look-see. All right, so there we are. I got a fork. Tell you what, doesn't that look good? Oh man. You can taste it all. Thumbs up. Tom Horseman at YouTube, folks. This pork loin is awesome. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.